Hi everyone, we're on 9-2 Math Message. Right now I need you to open your journal pages to page 277 and 278. Okay, it says look at journal pages 277 and 278. Find a bird that could have a mass of 10 kilograms and a bird that could have a mass of 10 grams. Share your findings with a partner, so someone around you, a stuffed animal, a pet. You can just write it down, whatever you need to, but what is it really asking us? To find the mass. What's mass again? Remember, that's measuring. Oh, look at that straight line, third grade. Woof. Okay, so mass is finding how much matter is inside of something or how much it weighs. And we're measuring this in kilograms and grams. Now which one's bigger and which one's smaller? Is 10 kilograms bigger than 10 grams, or is it the other way around? Well, remember, 1,000 grams equals what? 1,000 grams or 1,000 G's equal 1 kilogram. So if 1,000 grams go into 1 kilogram, is 10 kilograms going to be bigger or 10 grams? Well, it's definitely going to be 10 kilograms because 10 grams doesn't even make up 1 kilogram. We would need a lot more, 990 grams to be exact. Okay, so we're going to find a bigger bird that's 10 kilograms and a smaller bird that's 10 grams using our journal pages. So let's take a look at them. And I have them over here for you to remember. 10 grams, and 10 kilograms. So let's take a look. Great horned owl. 1 kilogram to 3 kilograms. Well, between 1 to 3, do we have 10 at all? Nope, not our owl. Oops. Am I still drawing? Yeah. Oh. I guess I can't draw on this page, people. So sorry. Okay, so not this bird. Let's see over here. 112. Already that's much higher than 10. So I know it's not going to be our mourning dove. Okay, because remember it starts small, 112, and it goes to 170, a bigger number. So we know this is the starting and it's way too high. Okay, our bald eagle. 3 to 7 kilograms. Would that work? 3 to 7? Nope, because 10's not in between there. Okay, 3 to 6. No. What about over here? Atlantic puffin, 400. Nope, definitely not. European starling, 58. No, still too high. 2 to 3. No, we don't get to 10. 25 to 40. No. American white pelican, 5 kilograms to 9 kilograms. Can we do the American pelican? Oh no, it is 1 short, right? We would need 1 more kilogram. So not the pelican. Let's look at the black-capped chickadee. 9 grams to 14 grams. Between 9 and 14, is there a 10? You betcha. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So our black-capped chickadee, actually this should be coloring. Oh, there we go. Psh, you guys, Miss Schmidt figured it out. Again, technology, crazy, wonderful tool. Okay, so it is our black-capped chickadee because 10 falls between 9 and 14. Wonderful, so we have our grams done. But now we need to find 2 things. Now we need to find one that has 10 kilograms. So let's look on our next journal page. So we already found our grams. We are looking for kilograms. Okay. Mountain bluebird, 25. Already, I know that's way higher than 10. That's not going to work. 70 higher than 10. 34 is already higher than 10. 2 to 4. No, we don't reach 10. 2 to 6. No, it's not high enough. We need 4 more to get to 10. 21 to 48. Nope, 10's not in between there. 41 to 64. And it's in grams, so that wouldn't matter either. 400 to 500, definitely not. Oh, I could be crossing these off again, couldn't I? Okay, let's look at the flamingo, the American flamingo. 10 kilograms to 3 kilograms. Nope, still too small. Why do I feel like I'm missing one of these? Oh, I did make a mistake, people. Let's look back. Which one did I cross off? Did I talk about this one? I'm not sure. Let's see. California condor, 8 kilograms to 14 kilograms. Does 10 fall between 8 and 14? Well, let's count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Definitely, it is our California condor. Sorry for the confusion if I crossed off for you. Okay, that's wonderful. Now my question to you is, all of these numbers, or all these birds have a starting number and then an ending number for their mass, their weight, about how much matters in them, how much they weigh. Why is that? Why can a black-capped chickadee be 9 grams to 14 grams? Well, think about people. When we grow up to be adults, when we are fully grown, just like these birds are fully grown, do we all weigh the same? Are we all the same shapes and sizes and weigh the same? What if I have someone who's really, really tall and someone who's really, really short? Are they going to weigh the same amount? No. So just like humans and other animals, birds are the same way. Some will be one size and then some will be the other size. So they're saying the smallest weight that this black-capped chickadee can be is 9 grams when it's full grown. And the most it can weigh as a full-grown adult is 14 grams. So could this black chickadee, if it's full-grown, could it be 10 grams like we found? It can't be because 10 is in between here. So any black chickadee could either be 9 grams, it could weigh 10 grams, it could weigh 11 grams, it could weigh 12 grams, it could weigh 13 grams, or it could weigh 14 grams because that's the range full adults will weigh. Same as any of these other birds or our California condor. It can be as small as 8 kilograms, which if we know 1,000 grams are in each kilogram, how many grams would that mean that we have here? Well, if 1,000 go into 1 kilogram and we have 8 kilograms, that means it can be 8,000 kilograms, or 8,000 grams, excuse me, to 14 kilograms. Holy moly, how many grams would that be? Well, I know that there's 1,001 gram, or in 1 kilogram. But now we need to go by 14. So if I count by 1,000 14 times, I would get 14,000 kilograms. So why do we have numbers like this for our California condor? Because the smallest one can be those 8 kilograms. It could be 9 kilograms, it could be 10 kilograms, it could be 11 kilograms, it could be 12 kilograms, it could be 13 kilograms, or it could be 14 kilograms. Just depends on the size when it grows as an adult. That's why they give us a number 8 to 14. It means it could be either one of those when it gets older. That's amazing. Okay, I am going to meet you on the next page of your journal, which is 279.